Good day, everyone, and welcome to another edition of What Does It Mean? That's right, what does bio mean? It's alive! It's always helpful to look at the hint on the left, so we know that bio means having to do with living things, or in short, bio means life. So any word that has bio in it probably has something to do with life. Let's see this, for example. Biology. Well, we know bio means life, and ology, or logy, means the study of something, study or knowledge. So biology must in fact be the study of living things. All things living, small, large, biology. And then finally, symbiotic. You ever heard of a symbiotic relationship? Well, sim means together, and life together. Or in symbiotic, life working together for the benefit of both. And then we have biodiversity. Remember, bio means life, and diversity means a variety. Put them together, and biodiversity means a variety of living things. You see, we have a dolphin, we have an eagle, we have a bird, we have a bear, we have a fish, we've got a turtle, another type of fish, and a duck that just landed between the cat and the dog. Biodiversity. And then finally, we have the challenge card. Biofuel. What do you think that means? Well, fuel is something that provides energy. So we can guess that biofuel is something that provides energy made from living things. Biotechnology. Technology is tools or methods for doing something that uses living things. If we add bio to it, biotechnology, the use of living things to create the use of living things or their parts to create useful products or solve problems. Biohazard. Hazard means harmful. So we can guess that this means harmful to living things. And then biological. Logical refers to anything related to or having to do with something. And in this case, we added bio to it. So anything having to do with or related to life or living things. I do hope this has been helpful to you. Enjoy your next lesson and have a wonderful day.